Film.
What is good, YouTube? My name is Gino Diaz signing in and welcome to my channel. So today, let me show you something. 1 second. As you guys can see, my car comes with an open diff, right? So yesterday I went to a junk shop to, oops, 1 second, there you go, buy a factory Vlsd. This is from a G35, 350Z manual, you guys can see. Alright guys, this is the Vlsd that I bought yesterday. Cost me 300 Canadian dollars. I hope this one works, but obviously I checked it. If you spin it this way, wait, oh it doesn't, because this one has to spin, but it goes the same way. So if it's open diff, if you turn this one this way, this one will go the opposite way. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get this one installed today, hopefully. I know it's gonna be a pain in the ass. They will be charging me so much. Unfortunately I don't have a tool or a garage to get it done, or I don't even have a jack to pull the diff out. But yes, hopefully we can get this installed and get that two-wheel peel instead of open differential. Alright guys, I'm actually on my way there right now. So just a quick look on my interior. This is how it looks. Really like how I have the pop-up navigation here working. So yeah, let's go to the shop and hopefully they won't charge me too much. I'm actually gonna be going to 2 different shops to check how much will they charge me. So I don't mind driving because it's not that far. So let's do it. We're in. Hopefully the price is not bad, so they're looking into it. Guys, it's actually my first time seeing the undercarriage of the G35. It's actually not bad. Look at that.
One thing, if I walk, I don't want some people around me.
Yeah, for sure. Alright, so I just found out something. Apparently this is an LSD. It's not even open diff, guys. What the fuck? Maybe because it's just fully worn out. Look at this. All this time, I thought this thing has an open diff because it doesn't work at all anymore. But look, it spins the same way. What the fuck is going on, bruh? Damn, I just wasted money. So this is a Vlsd all this long. This is an LSD. What the fuck? I shouldn't. Man, whatever. Alright, it's done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this one works. They're putting back the old Vlsd that I thought that I was open differential. Feel free to subscribe and hopefully I'm gonna get to try this on later and it works.
The baro ng phone film ko to.